guys, this is Young and I'm right now at Chinatown in Bangkok. I actually really feel like this place is more like Chinatown than China in itself, because it has like so many like neon signs and it's even more bustling and so on. You know, like Hong Kong sort of got rid of a lot of neon signs over the years. And of course, one of the most exciting things about Bangkok is food. One of the tips that DJI gives in OSMO Action Creative Tips, which I'm sure is applicable for any other sort of small cameras. And I thought slow motion is perhaps the best way to actually capture the food, especially like the cooking part of it. And of course, when it comes to like taking food sequence, slow-mo, I think it's important that you get some of the sequence shots. So there's like a bit of like cooking scene, a bit of preparation scene, plating scene, and eating scene as well. Once at the editing, when you have all the sequence lined up, then don't forget to put nice sound effects. It might actually be a little bit hard for you to actually get the sound from the spot in itself. You can always add on more sound from, for me, I get it from Epidemic Sound, but you can get it free from like Orange Sound, and that will give like the richness of the sound. I mean, for me, I'm actually trying it out, so I'll see how it turns out. To really make your food sequence rich and, you know, full of flavor, you might also add on the close-up shot. But of course, OSMO Pocket may not be able to achieve that delicious close-up shot. So you might want to, you know, add what you have in the camera or even your mobile phone. Okay, this is a queue of this really popular place. Wow, look at that, that's crazy. I hope you guys are not going too hungry by now. I mean, for me, I really want to explore Osmo Pocket to get, you know, some better shots, you know, investigate how I can use it further. So I will share my sort of tips or findings. I wouldn't really say like tutorials or anything because, you know, I'm not in position to, but I want to explore with you guys on how to use Osmo Pocket. So please do stay tuned and like this video, and see you!